Okay, we've all seen them, especially on YouTube, probably preceding many of my videos. I know I've seen them. This superfood. If you haven't tried this, you gotta try it. Oh man, it's got 79 superfoods. And this stuff is gonna cure all your health problems, solve your aging issues, all kinds of things. It's basically, it's the silver bullet where you're going to live happily ever after with no physical problems, and you're going to be just like the people in the ad. Have you ever seen the ads they do for these products? I mean, they must spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, or at least tens of thousands, if not millions. So, and they have all these people, beautiful people, surfing, climbing mountains, and if you take this product, you're going to be just like them. You're going to learn how to surf. You're going to learn how to be a mountain climber. It's nonsense. You're wasting your money, because nothing extracted from a superfood, nothing can be as good as that nutrient in its whole package, the way the Creator gave it to us. Science doesn't know everything about food, but the Creator does. And He knows that when He gave us a mango, you can't extract something out of that mango and give it to somebody in pill form that's going to be as beneficial as the whole mango. So my point of this video: don't be fooled by marketing hype. And the oldest sales trick in the world is, the salesman will give the person a problem. Okay, do you feel tired? Do you have chronic fatigue, or do you have pain in your joints? Well, that's caused because of this and that. And by the way, I have this product that has this ingredient that will help that. Okay? Now, the ingredient may help that, that's true, but it's much, much better off in the food itself that it was extracted from. So, instead of buying the package of superfoods that has 79 different superfoods in it, just eat the mango. You're better off with eating the mango, because you're going to assimilate and your body's going to uptake that and actually use it. Eat a wide variety, if you can, as much as you can, of fruits and vegetables. And you're going to be getting every nutrient, phytonutrient you can imagine that you need. Okay, so that's my thoughts on these products. I'm not totally against all supplements, but when you're in a healthy state from eating fruits and vegetables, you really don't need any supplements. Okay, you really don't. So please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, and I'm going to fruit up today, okay? Take care.